Hi guys, it's Tomahawk, and today I'm going to be making one of my favorite dishes, salmon macaroni and cheese with peas. You will need Annie's white cheddar mac and cheese in the purple box. You can get whatever kind of pasta you want, organic, whole wheat, gluten-free, but it has to be Annie's white cheddar. It tastes different than other mac and cheeses. It's tangy, not sweet like orange mac and cheese. First, wash your hands. Then put a pot of water on to boil. Gather your ingredients. You will need frozen peas, Annie's white cheddar mac and cheese, 1 can of salmon, butter, and plain yogurt. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Now put your pasta on to boil and set a timer for 8 minutes or 2 minutes less than the box calls for. Mix the cheese powder into the butter. Add a half cup of yogurt. Next, drain and add your salmon. When the timer goes off, add your peas to the pasta and bring it back to a boil. When the peas and pasta are boiling, drain them in a colander. Add your peas and pasta to the mix, stir it up, serve it up, and eat it up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!